Rewarded Play rewards users by completing goals inside supported mobile games. So the best game is the one that gives you the highest value for the time and effort required. By the end, you'll know how to compare rewarded play games, which factors affect your results, and how to choose games that are worth your time. The first thing to understand is that the highest reward shown is not always the best option. A game with a larger reward can take much longer to complete, while another game may offer better progress for the amount of time you spend playing. Start by checking the requirements before choosing a game. Look at the goals you need to complete, the progress needed, and whether the game matches how you normally play. The first category to compare is progress speed. Games that let you reach milestones consistently are usually easier to manage than games that require long sessions or difficult tasks. Choose games with goals that fit your schedule. If you only have short periods of free time, a game with simple progress steps may work better than one requiring extended play. The second category is game style. Rewarded play includes different types of mobile games, and each person may prefer a different option. Some users enjoy strategy games because they like planning and building progress. Others prefer puzzle, casual, or action-style games because they can complete smaller goals during short sessions. Pick a game you can continue playing because unfinished goals do not create rewards. The third category is checking the reward requirements before spending time. A game may look attractive, but the tasks needed to unlock rewards determine whether it is a good choice. Read the offer details carefully and track your progress inside the app. This helps you understand which games give you the best experience. Your results can also vary because available games and offers may change over time. The games shown in your account may not be identical to what another user sees. To summarize, the best rewarded play games are not only about the biggest reward amount. They are about choosing games with realistic goals, matching your playing style, and completing tasks efficiently. Your next step is to compare the available games in your rewarded play account before starting one. Choose the game with goals you can realistically complete and track your progress as you play. If this guide helped you choose better rewarded play games, like the video and subscribe for more earning app guides.